Welcome to our journey into creative writing. This first week is all about opening the door to what creative writing really means. It's about expression, storytelling, and finding your unique voice. We'll explore how writing can be a powerful way to share your thoughts and experiences. So, let's dive in and start discovering the endless possibilities that creative writing offers. Let's break down the first half of our 12-week adventure. We'll start by understanding the purpose and genres of creative writing, then explore how to develop ideas through free writing and curiosity. Next, we'll focus on building characters that feel real, crafting dialogue that moves stories forward, and shaping narratives with strong arcs and tension. This foundation sets us up to create engaging and meaningful stories that speak from the heart. Moving into weeks 7 through 12, we'll deepen our skills by exploring settings that bring stories to life and mastering point of view and voice. We'll learn the art of showing rather than telling, refine our writing style and tone, and tackle editing and overcoming writer's block. Finally, we'll discuss how to prepare your work for sharing or publishing, helping you build a lasting writing practice beyond this course. So, what exactly is creative writing? At its core, it's about expression, imagination, and storytelling. It goes beyond just functional writing. It's a way to explore human experience in all its complexity. Creative writing invites us to tap into our imagination and share stories that resonate on a deeper level, connecting us to ourselves and others in meaningful ways. Now, it's crucial to understand what plagiarism is. Simply put, it's when someone presents another person's words or ideas as their own without proper credit. This can happen through direct copying or even close rephrasing. In creative writing, plagiarism blocks your own voice from shining through. We want to encourage inspiration, but always with originality. Your unique ideas matter, even if they're still rough around the edges. Let's talk about copyright. This protects your original creative work the moment you put it down on paper or screen. It means only you have the right to copy, share, or sell your work unless you say otherwise. While you can be inspired by others, copying their exact words or ideas isn't allowed. Always credit sources when you use quotes or facts. Respecting copyright means respecting your own and others' creative rights. Creative writing spans many genres, each with its own flavor. Fiction includes novels and short stories, while non-fiction covers biographies and essays. Poetry brings rhythm and imagery, and drama explores stories through performance like plays and scripts. Knowing these categories helps us understand the wide range of ways we can express ourselves and connect with audiences through different forms and styles. Why write creatively? It's a powerful way to express yourself and explore your identity and ideas. Creative writing lets you connect with readers on a personal level and play with language and form in ways that are uniquely yours. It opens doors to new perspectives and invites you to experiment with how stories and emotions are shared, making writing an exciting and fulfilling experience. Finding your voice is one of the most important parts of writing. Your voice is your unique perspective combined with your style, shaped by your life experiences, culture, and personality. It's not about copying others, but about sounding like you, authentic and true. As we go forward, we'll explore ways to develop and embrace that voice, so your writing truly reflects who you are. This is where your creativity really takes flight.